Okay, today I'm at Condo. This is Condo HB room, and here we have the VCB rack out. So today we're going to energize the transformer number 1 after replacement of 11 kV cable. Okay, currently cable already replaced, so later on we're going to energize the transformer, this transformer number 1, and then we're going to measure the outgoing voltage from here to the LV, which is now currently off using coupler. Here. Now coupler on using the power supply from here. Now this is off. We're going to measure the voltage here, single phase, 3 phase, as well as phase rotation after replacement of 11 kV cable. Okay, now before we energize, we're going to measure the phase rotation over here first. Alright. Okay, let's get it done. This is the one. So we are going to measure the phase rotation here. Alright, we're going to use red and yellow. Okay, we got a voltage of 411. Okay, the phase rotation is anti-clockwise. Alright. And then following the next sequence is yellow to blue. Okay, the sequence is correct. Also from yellow to blue anti-clockwise, and then from blue to red. Alright, from blue to red, same also, we get the phase rotation of anti-clockwise, which is 416. Alright, now we measure the single phase. Okay, red phase, single phase is 238, yellow phase 234, and blue phase 239. Alright. Okay, first of all, we are going to switch on the transformer first. We are not going to off the coupler first. So when the power supply reaches here at the incomer side, we are not going to rack in this one. We are going to measure the power source from transformer number 1 until here, the voltage, single phase, 3 phase, as well as phase rotation. Okay, we are going to on the 11 kV power supply to transformer number 1 here. Okay, prior to switching on this transformer, we already do the insulation test on this cable, and it shows in good condition. Now we just straight away energize it. Alright. Okay, let's get it done. I just switch on the power supply to this transformer. Okay, let's check it. Is there any? Okay, there's LV output voltage. Alright, now we're going to check the phase rotation, single phase and three phase reading. Okay, there's incoming voltage already. Wherever convenience, for me, I'm more convenience check from behind. Okay, this is the other side. Let's block it back first. Okay, so no live parts exposed. Okay, this is the one. Incomer MSB number 1. Alright. Okay, we're going to check red and yellow. Okay, I'm getting the reading of 416. It's a little bit slippery. Okay, I'm getting the reading of 416. Phase rotation is anti-clockwise from red to yellow. Okay, correct. Okay, then here red to blue. Phase rotation also same, anti-clockwise. I'm getting the reading of 418. Okay, then from blue to red. Okay, I'm getting a reading of 413. Phase rotation also anti-clockwise. Okay, now let's check the single phase voltage. Red phase, I'm getting voltage reading of 241. Yellow phase, I'm getting voltage reading of 239. And blue phase, I'm getting voltage reading of 241. Alright, no issues here. Let's double check. Okay, ready to energize. Let's lock it back properly. Alright, now currently this coupler is on and MSB number 2 is on. MSB number 1 incomer ACB is off. So later on what I'm going to do, as the time comes, I'm going to switch off this one first. No need to rack out, just switch off and then open coupler. That means open, break the coupler, that means off the coupler. From here, turn to here. Alright. After off, take out the caster key, put in here and rack in this one. After rack in this one, either I want to on back here or on back here also can. Alright, so later we are going to do this procedure. This is uncoupling the MSB so that use back this MSB number 2, this MSB number 1 from transformer number 1, and this is MSB number 2 from transformer number 2. So this procedure is to break out this coupler. Alright. Okay, during the coupling and uncoupling, the reason why I need to off the source first is because this coupler have to be operated under no load condition. Alright, if let's say your coupler is a circuit breaker or ACB, then you don't need to off this source. You can straight away do the switching from here. That means either on load or off load. So to play safe, you just swap the load to this breaker. Alright, that's why I cannot straight away off here. I need to off here first, then only I can uncoupling it, then only I on back this one and on here. Or either way, if I need to do the coupler, I need to on this one first, then only I on the source. So all the load goes to this breaker, not to this coupler. So you need to identify first whether it's on load or off load breaker. Okay, if this is, in this case, this is a off load coupler. If it's on load, then you can able to do it under on load condition. Alright. right now everything is normalized. So we have a MSB number 1 incomer is on, MSB number 2 incomer also on. So now the power supply is using here and is using here, and this one is open, not close. Open. Open means off. All right, off, off, on. This is off. Okay, this is closed, this is closed, this is open, off. All right. Okay, everything looks fine, voltage looks fine, load looks fine, no issue, no tripping. Okay boss, kau tim.
Okay, thank you.
Siap lah.
Okay, semua saya sudah check dia ke management people. I just check with the management
Lift
people.
semua okay lah.
Everything is come back to
Yeah, normal. Okay.
Thanks,
Okay. Okay, that's all. Let's check the transformer load how many percent. 3% load lah. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.